3 Delta Vita 207, this is 3 Delta Vita 200. Radio check, over.
I would like to sincerely thank the Japanese government for your ongoing support to the ministry through the NDMO in ensuring communication in the aftermath of a disaster is not affected. And with these newly installed radios, it will now be of the past here in the Northern Division. As most of us are well aware, during the recent tropical cyclone Yasa, major communication infrastructures were also affected, making it difficult to communicate with our locals and even our operation centers. Without communications, it's hard to run operations, and thank you again for this timely assistance, Excellencies. Communication, as you all know, is a crucial element of disaster management operations and is a vital component for response and recovery. The role of communication technology has been recognized as integral to disaster management for a long time. Effective communication connects first responders, support systems, and family members with the communities and individuals immersed in the disaster. And for this, we are indebted to the Japanese government for supporting us in ensuring that what we experienced with TCYASA will not happen again. The interoperability of the 9 HF radios entails the ability to not only transmit voice but also internet data. EOC can also send emails through the HF radios, making it the first of its kind in the Northern Division. Ladies and gentlemen, it would be remiss of me not to mention the support of the Australian government as well through the contribution by Live and Learn under the Australian Humanitarian Partners Program. Live and Learn donated computers to complement the HF radios. In addition, there is assistance provided to the ministry in terms of soft and hard infrastructure and digitization of processes for logistics and warehousing. As part of this assistance by the Australian government, two experienced logisticians are being deployed to the ministry to strengthen capability for our logistics and warehousing operations. I'm pleased to note that one of them is already here and is joining us for this event as he commences with his assignment. Let's warmly welcome Justin. The commissioning of the 9 high-frequency radios that have been installed across 9 emergency operation centers, or EOCs, in Vanuatu, namely Labasa, Seqaqa, Lekutu, Kubulau, Nabouwalu, Saqani, Tukavesi, Savusavu and Taveuni. This, of course, would not be possible without the technical funding and support of our development partners. Evidently, the frequency of disaster happening in our beloved Fiji is increasing in every cyclone season. Recently, we are experiencing an average of 3 events in a season, and as front lines of the climate emergency, achieving resilience is deeply personal for every Fijian. As the Honorable Prime Minister stated at the recent COP26, and I quote, "Together, our coalition of the willing can keep 1.5 alive, keep low-lying island nations above water, keep erratic and severe weather from devastating us all, and keep the trust between nations so that we can keep faith that our children and grandchildren will have a future," unquote. The 2 initiatives that will be commissioned today is surely the right direction in safeguarding a brighter future for our children and grandchildren.
HF digital radio system with HF.
Once it's sent, it will give you an acknowledgement that your message already sent.
Yo,